Now welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to disable Launchpad. Now Launchpad in this code is an in-app activity discovery and launching system. It is this one, you can see. So what it does is that for some it's a rocket ship icon on the bottom left of your server list, while in the channel list for you can see it's like a channel list for me. So that's how it appears on mobile. Its purpose is to help you quickly start playing games, watching videos, or using apps with your friends without needing to leave Discord. Now if I want to get rid of this, look at its moves. So if you want to turn it off or disable it, what do? Tap on your profile icon at the bottom, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then scroll all the way down until you see advanced. Tap on advanced, scroll down until you see disabled. Disable usage of Launchpad, and you can see it is gone. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.